Hey guys, how you doing? I've been gone for so long, I know. But we're back and we're gonna get this started again. I know I've been gone for a long time, but it's actually been pretty hectic for me lately. School is about to start and I'm going back to high school because I did running star. I'll be wearing makeup, especially on the first day I'll be wearing makeup. So I just kind of wanted to make a video about it, what I do, what I wear. So I just washed my face with like the L'Oreal clay cleanser. I use this when I'm done. It's just witch hazel, and then I use one of these little things and I soak it and then I put it all over my face, and I swear this is like the best thing in the whole world. I swear by doing this every day. But I use this one because the other one's like $6. I don't have $6 for witch hazel, so I use the Mario Badescu cucumber spray. You know, everybody knows this. Or I use this one. I think I got this from like Marshall's or something. It just smells really good. Not that it probably does anything for my face, it just smells good. But I'm gonna use this one. I usually moisturize with the Origins Nitamins moisturizer. This right here saved me through winter. There is the fattest bee on my window, bro. On the screen outside. Oh no. I basically just apply this on my nose and under my eyes. Oh, I miss that noise. Also, I recently discovered this Eco Tools sponge. I bought this from like Ross, I think. So after I do that, that's basically how I do my like face and everything. My eyes are kind of like dark under here because I don't sleep. I use the Bare Minerals Primetime Primer. I don't know why I always like to put primer right under my eyes. I think it helps like my foundation under there not crease so much. Oh, our bee friend left. He left for good this time. And I also put it right here in the middle of my forehead. I have smile lines right here, so I always try to work the primer in there. I forgot to whip up my beauty blender, so I'll be right back. Here's my beauty blender. See how big this thing is? Lumi foundation in N12. Way too light for me, can you tell? Like, this is not my color. But on accident, I bought literally 2 of these in W2 and another N12 because I meant to get N3. So now I have 2 of these and one that doesn't even match me. It's fine though. This L'Oreal Blur foundation in there because it's a lot darker than me and this is a lot lighter than me. But I like the undertone of this because it kind of, like the undertone matches me. Let's just put some on here like this. Yeah, and I put just like a really small amount. Really small, just on this. You know, can you see now? And I just like mix them together on here. I paint myself. Yeah, this is probably not my color because I can never get this, you know, this right. Is that a surprise? No. What I do is I put some right here, like that, and I tap it in with my fingers because it does not like the sponge that much. I just like slap myself really hard. The bee is back. That is so weird. I used to do like powder, contour, and highlight, and blush, and I don't do that anymore. So I have this right here. And I just do that. So you guys have never seen me without makeup on. Actually, I rarely show people what I look like without makeup on because I'm ugly. So help me go from 0 to 10, or like a solid 6. Yeah, I need friends, so add me on Snapchat. I'll put my Snapchat right here, like desperate, you know. Can you see him? Hold on. Oh, he's gone. So I'm also, not that I normally do this, but put a little bit like on my nose because I'm looking at it and I'm like, you could use some too. Y'all should suggest me some good powders because that's one thing that I haven't found that I like of anything. But I've never tried the Laura Mercier powder. I used this today with this little brush, and it's in taupe. I just kind of like outline the bottom of my eyebrow. And I take some more and do this eyebrow. They're very different shapes, so this is really hard. You can kind of see that I'm missing some right here. Square brush and go under my brows. And I'm gonna put this all over. All set, literally. Then I usually take the Smashbox palette, hashtag Shape Matters palette. And there's like a bunch of just like normal shades. So I take this one up here. I mix desert and wheat. Wheat is this color right here. Mix that one in this one. I take this Bare Minerals Big and Bright eyeliner, black eyeliner. I don't want my eyes to look small, I want them to look open. So I take this Shella highlighter crayon and I do my waterline with this. And then I take this little sample of Superhero It mascara. I got it for my birthday. My birthday just passed. Lip treatment from this. Oh my gosh, I love getting contour all over my hands. This, because it's like red and it's really pretty. So the company Firmo sent me over a pair of glasses to review for you guys. So I'm gonna review them now. This is what it comes in. This little like suede bag. And then in the bag, it comes with a little plastic bag. It actually had a little glasses tool in here that you can screw on and off. And it has like extra nose pads and screws, just in case. This like little wrapper on over the container, but I took this off. It's just like a little user agreement thing. And this is the container. It's like plastic. It just has their logo on it. And then when you open it, the glasses are right here. So here are the glasses. And it comes with like a glasses cloth. And it's actually, there's a pad in the container so that it's soft, I guess. That's good. Here's the glasses cloth so you can clean them. Come in a little bag with like a QR code on there. I'm assuming you can scan that and get these glasses. So these are the glasses right here. They're circular. I look terrible in circular glasses. Not sure why I picked these ones, but I'll show you how bad I look. Yeah, I do look really bad in these, but my sister loves circular glasses like this. So probably gonna end up giving these to her. These are non-prescription, but you can get prescription and non-prescription. You can get sunglasses. There's literally so many, there's so many things to choose from. All of the glasses are no more than $39, which is an awesome deal because they are really nice. Like, they don't feel cheap at all. They actually do feel really, like, sturdy. I actually do have a pair of my own glasses, and these feel better than them, actually. Thank you, Firmo, for sending these over for me to review. I actually really like them. I'll probably order some sunglasses because I am in desperate need of some sunglasses. But if you guys do want to buy these, I have a link below that you can click and buy them. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm so sorry that I've been gone for so long, but heartbreaks are not easy, so I'm getting my way through it. If you guys want, Snapchat me some more ideas, DM me on Instagram. I usually always answer my DMs. Yeah, I'm back on social medias. Alright, thank you for watching.